Hey Closet Junkies, it's your girl K Carter here, and I'm going to show you what I do with this wig on my head, okay? I just came out of 2 months worth of box braids, individuals, whatever you want to call it, okay? But I'm feeling like my hair is dry, and after I washed my hair and I did some conditioning, I had a lot of shedding and I wasn't happy about it. I made an aloe vera deep conditioning serum that I followed the steps from Eugenia, Kelcy, and I love her videos. Her hair is beautiful, and I said, why not? I'm going to show you the steps that I took. I follow Eugenia's advice, and definitely I would like to see if it makes a difference with thickening, strengthening, and filling in some empty spots, if you may, in my own hair. And let's see what happens.
The information for these products will be in my description. I bought an aloe vera leaf from a local grocery store. Here I'm cutting up the aloe vera into chunks to make it easier to cut it up before I put it into a blender. I'm adding 4 scoops of MSM, which is sulfur rich, which promotes hair growth and strengthening. I added 2 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of almond oil, and about 4 teaspoons of castor oil. You know, I added 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, and last but not least, I went ahead and blended everything together. I then used a bowl and a stocking cap to strain the kind of thickness of the aloe vera into the bowl to be able to use the product for my hair. This is what the product looks like when you're done. I did notice that the color of the product changed, like a reddish color, but don't be alarmed. Here I applied the product directly from the bowl into my hair and did a quick twist out. You ready? Turn up. I will recommend that you use an applicator to help put the product in your hair directly, because it did get a little messy, but overall I did enjoy using this on my hair. I did put some finishing touches on my edges to lay them down, along with a little swoop and flick of the wrist with a toothbrush. Tied my edges down with a scarf, and here you are, my finishing product. Down the street, to my LAB, you know. Top down, me and my girls, we looking fly tonight. When we Closet Junkie, where it's okay to be addicted to fashion. Thank you for tuning in to my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Mwah.